This video is aimed at the 2 to 3% of the population, approximately that, I don't know if it's exactly that irk the hell out of me, and they mispronounce the word especially, especially. People, if you're guilty of this, I want to tell you that there's not much that can make you sound more ignorant or uneducated or lacking in class, but definitely uneducated and ignorant if you are guilty of pronouncing the word especially. So if you're doing that, it's in your best interest to stop it right away. If you want to be perceived as intelligent, you have to pronounce especially.